it again.
Emma just rolled over. We're going to see if she'll do it again.
That's the storm.
You going to roll over? Roll over, yay! You got it! And she's getting a lot of bald spots. You can see. Like her hair's falling out. Emma! You proud of yourself? You trying to look at the ocean? There's the ocean. And now she's gonna roll back to her bed.
Hanging on.
What do you see? You see the ocean?